And hello, today we have for you the epic cigar Maduro Fuente. It was founded in 2010 by Parsons. The master blender is Rolando Antonio Villamil. We are looking today at a Brazilian wrapper. It originates from the Dominican Republic. The filler is Dominican and Nicaraguan, and the binder is a Cameroon binder. This should be a tasty one, but I'll let Billy tell you about it. And okay, thank you. We are back. Listen, we're doing today the Maduro Fuente by Epic Cigars. Beautiful, beautiful cigar. Now, as Billy told you, this is a Brazilian wrapper. It originates from the Dominican Republic. We've got a filler that's a Dominican and Nicaraguan, and the binder is Cameroon, which means it should have some pretty interesting notes on this. Anytime you get a blend like that, you got your Dominican Republic, you got your Cameroon, you got your Nicaragua, and Brazilian. This is going to be something else. Now, this was also founded, Epic Cigars was founded in 2010 by Parsons. Now, the master blender, and this is going to be a mouthful, that's what she said, Rolando Antonio Villamil is the master blender. So I'm looking forward to this cigar. This is going to be something else. I know we're going to have some great notes on this. Let's get at it. So let me take this off first, and I'm going to do a cold draw. Oh, that smells. I wish we had smell-o-vision right about now. That smells fantastic. So let's go ahead and cut. Now I'm going to use today my Perdermal cutter, guillotine cutter. As you can see, it doesn't have a hole in it. What it does, it gives you the perfect 1/8 of an inch cut when you put your cigar in there. Which, no muss, no fuss. You're not cutting off too much, too little. And this has got the pigtail top, so we're going to press that in there. Cut. We're done. Perfect every time. Okay. And there's your cap. Let's do a cold draw on this and see what we get. Yeah, I was expecting this. You got so many, got your Brazilian wrapper, your Dominican Nicaraguan filler, and your binder's Cameroon. Oh, it's got a definite sweetness on the end of it. Excuse me. A little cocoa. Definitely earthy, and just a ping, ping, ping of a little pepper in that. Well, let's light this up and see what we get. Now, as you know, I'm usually always going to light the foot first. So we're going to get your lighter, and you're just going to toast the foot slightly. You notice I'm twisting and turning as I go. I'm toasting, not roasting. Just want to get it going, get the tobacco going. And generally with a cigar, it takes about 2 years or so for it to get into your hands. So it's a lot of love and care and consideration went into this. So we're going to treat it with the respect that it deserves. So there, we're toasting the foot. Now we're going to blow on it. So it's a little red, not a lot. And this will help it smoke evenly. There. Now, once I get it going, I like to finish with a match. But let me take a minute real quick. Usually if you have a torch or something, if it's not yours or even if it is, never point it towards me like this. See? I never do that. It's a torch. So I'm not going to point it towards my face. If you're going to use a torch to light it, hold it down, not towards your face, not this way. You're just asking for trouble and you're on borrowed time. That's all I can say. So take a tip from me, an old man. You want to not point it at yourself. You want to have it down or that way so you can have control of it, okay? So I'm going to light my match real quick. And what I'm doing is kissing it. Notice it's far away from the cigar and I'm just puffing. I'm getting the tobacco going. It is now lit. I can enjoy it. Now what I like to do is a couple inhales. You kind of blow it through my nose. Oh, this is good. Good medium, full strength. Nice note on it. That's got a really peppery note on it with a slight sweetness on it. But this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and smoke a third of it, and I'll come back with a drink suggestion. If you got something else for me, just please leave it in the comments. Be right back, okay? Okay, we are back. Listen to me. Okay. Epic Cigar, Maduro Fuente. This is what I'm getting off of it. It's a lot more earthy now than it was before. Very tasty. Very tasty. It's definitely very earthy. Slight pepper on it. Not a lot of sweetness. More earthy and pepper than anything. Good ash, as you can see. I knocked it off, so still smoking pretty well, burning pretty evenly. I forgot to take time out to ask that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification and karate chop that subscription so you'll be alerted next time I do a video. I really appreciate that. Okay, so what am I going to drink with this? Well, thought long and hard. It's more earthy than it. It's a very, very earthy cigar. Look at that smoke. Peppery. It feels more of a full strength to me. So I said, well, I'm going to go old school because that's the mood I'm in right now because I'm old. And this is what I picked. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Johnny Walker Red Label. Yeah, I said old school. I believe Johnny Walker is one of the highest selling Scotch whiskeys in the world. So I'm not the only one drinking it. And if you have a different suggestion, I'd be more than happy to listen to it or comment on it. I was going to go with Elijah Craig, but somehow Johnny was calling me on my cell phone. So I answered. So what we're going to do, I got to show you this. I got fancy, got me a whiskey glass. So let's go ahead and pour that in there. Always screw the top back on. Do you want to see a grown man cry? Keep the top off the whiskey and then spill it. Cry like a baby. Swirl. Get the notes. Ooh. Let's see what we're working with. This is to my old subscribers. Thank you. To my new subscribers, welcome. To Mr. Parsons for making a fantastic cigar. Much continued success to you, your family, and your loved ones. May you always get all your wishes in 2023. Loving that. Now let's hit it with the cigar. Oh, oh yeah. I like the way that tastes in my mouth right now. Oh, yes, 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 and yes again. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy that off camera. And as if you know, if you're new to this channel, I'll tell you. If you're not, you already know. I usually give it a rating between 1 and 20, 5 categories. Categories are as follows: appearance, flavor, availability, value, and enjoyment. 20 in each. 20 times 5 is 100. Perfect score. Let's see how this one came in. Appearance, I gave it a 19. I love the dark wrapper, Brazilian wrapper. It's dark. It's not really oily. It's a really dark, inviting leaf. I like the appearance on it. I like the pigtail. So I gave that a 19. Excuse me. Excuse me. Flavor, I gave it a 19. Great flavor, earthy, peppery, slight sweetness. That left. So it's very, very earthy and peppery now. Very earthy, and that I like that. I think it's a great combination with the Johnny Walker Red Label, because to me, Johnny Walker Red Label has a bit of a sweetness on it. So that's what we are. Availability, I gave it an 18. Pretty much easy to get. Most of the information I got off Cigar International and SmokeDog.com. Value 18. It's a relatively priced cigar. I think it's about $12, $13. Uh, so good value, enjoyment. I gave it a perfect 20. I couldn't find anything wrong with it. Smoked well, tastes good, flavors kept me interested, and that's what I got. Totally, I gave it 94 out of 100 points, which is a dang good cigar. Dang good cigar. I recommend you try it. Like I say, Cigar International has it. You can get it from SmokeDog.com. They have a great subscription package. Also, I want to give a shout out to the old coot, his channel, and the cigarologist. I appreciate all the support and love I get from those guys. And thank you. And with that, I'm going to sign off. Thank you for coming. I was trying to make this a little shorter than my other videos because I don't want to ramble on. And next thing I know, I'm going back in my day, and you don't want to, you don't want me to talk about how beer was 29 cents when I was growing up. So, and cigars were 25 cents a pack. You don't want to hear that. So let's keep going. So I'm going to bid you guys farewell. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. I have a giveaway going on right now. I'm going to make a short video on that when I'm going to do the drawing. And always remember, this is Billy All-Star telling you, if you cannot be nice for the sake of anybody in earshot, always be cool. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.